You're gonna love this. It's very simple. Let's go. I have been keep making low calorie desserts and I have been very successful. And today I'm going to make chocolate pudding. Low calorie chocolate pudding. Let's start 4 cups of low fat milk. 4 cups low fat milk is 440 calories. We used 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, which is 120 calories. 2 tablespoons of cocoa makes 40 calories. If you want to just use cocoa, you can make it lower calories, but I'm going to put some actually chocolate and 110 calories for 30 grams. And this is the chocolate I'm using. It's Lily's. I mix milk and dark chocolate. And I use 7 tablespoons of powdered diet sugar. Confectioners, I like it because I don't feel aftertaste. In total it's 710 calories. It's gonna make 8 servings, 89 calories each. These low calorie desserts are really super awesome and everybody in the house loves them. Love, 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 love them. I have been making a lot of different ones. I haven't filmed. I will though. You guys gonna love this. If you're on low calorie diet, this is going to be your staple. It's super easy. Cornstarch, diet sugar, cocoa powder, and vanilla, basically. We'll wait until it thickens. And my suggestion is taste it, because I put 7 tablespoons of sugar replacement. To me, it's pretty good, but I might add more because my husband likes it a little bit more sugary, which I agree with it. So there is no calorie on this sugar, it's 0. You can put it as much as you like to your taste. It's getting there, it's getting thick. When it starts to dance, you keep your eyes on it. Don't go anywhere because it can boil over easily. Put your heat down. Let's taste before we cool it down. You're gonna love this. For 89 calories, it is a gem. It's gonna be a little juicy. When it's get cold, it will just be perfect. Don't worry about it to think it's too juicy. While it's dancing, it's time for our vanilla. 1, 2. Just stir it. When I put it earlier, the vanilla, I think vanilla just goes away. I like to put it at the end. Yes, Tintin. Yeah. You want some dessert? What do you want? Also, another tip for you guys. When you taste right now, when it's hot, it will taste like sugary. When it gets cooled down, it's not gonna feel that much sugary. Just to keep that in mind. The moment of the truth. The chocolate pudding. Only 89-90 calories.
Bon appetit.
Let me show the consistency.
Oh yeah, that looks great. Thank you for making this. Gigi, I love it.
Please don't forget to subscribe. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. You'll love it.